Hi everyone, my name is Troy Ash. I bring greetings from Macon, Georgia. I'm not exactly sure who's familiar with where that is, so I'll just, give a little geography lesson. It is in the heart of Georgia, so in middle Georgia, that would be our region of Georgia. But it's about an hour and a half south of Atlanta, which is the state's capital, and then probably about 2 hours, hour and a half to 2 hours northwest of Savannah. So, yeah, that's where I now reside. Um, I completed my undergrad at Morehouse College, which is also in Atlanta as well, with a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry. Um, and now, which brings me to this, and I'm now transitioning into pharmacy school. I took a gap year. So now I'm transitioning into pharmacy school at Mercer University, which is also in Atlanta as well. But, pharmacy school, which is what brings me to taking this course. So long story short, I took a course at Morehouse, but it wasn't really equivalent to the course that was needed for Mercer. So here I am taking this biochemistry course. I look forward to. Well, I took something similar to the biochemistry course, but it wasn't, I guess, exactly the biochemistry course. So it's kind of like I'm retaking it as well as not retaking it, but let's see, because the course I took, it was in the chemistry department, and so the reason I'm having to retake it is because that course lacked the biological knowledge that was needed. So I look forward to gaining information from the biologist's perspective from biochemistry. Um, so yeah, I'm looking forward to this course. I'm the oldest of six. I'm not sure if I said that before, but yeah, I'm the oldest of six. I currently work at CVS as a technician in the pharmacy. And then my hobbies are anything fun. I'm open to doing pretty much anything exciting. I like to travel, bowl, skate. I play tennis. I'm very well, not necessarily people oriented. I'm very family oriented. That's for sure. So I'm pretty much always with my family. I have a pretty big family on both sides. So yeah, I look forward to interacting with you guys and passing this course. My goal is to get an A. So I guess we'll talk with you guys later.